today I wanted to come at you with a review of Myfirstwig headband wig, and I already went ahead and slicked down my edges, and I have some cornrows under here, but that's fine. We are going to make it work. So inside of the box I have the details here, and it is a yaki textured wig that's 14 inches in natural color. I always get natural color. Of course, it's a headband wig and the lace is black. And I also selected 3 headbands. It's currently in the net, but let's go ahead and take it out of that. So I don't necessarily like how it was stored in the box and shipped to me, but it feels very soft for yaki texture. And I think this imitates my straight and natural hair very well. So I'm excited. And by the way,
this is not sponsored.
I just need consistent protective styles during the winter time because I am not wearing my hair out. I'm not going to overly manipulate it. So this is it. So it comes with a comb in the back, 2 combs at the sides, and 1, I guess this would hit in the middle of your head, but I'm not using this. I'm probably not even going to use the side combs. I'm going to use the back and the elastic band if I need to. I got this one in the smallest cap. So yes, let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. This was not the right sweater to wear for this, but we're gonna make it work. Just slipping in the back combs now, and it already feels pretty secure with that. And once I secured this Velcro strap, I think I should be good. So although I have the headbands, I could choose to just wear this. I'm just going to secure it. I told you guys that I have braids in, so I'm trying to push this back, but not too far back where you could tell that I have like a part, just enough so it looks very natural. So yes, I like it. Very, very, very natural. And for 14 inches, I think it's perfect. It's a layered look, but I might give it a trim later on to get rid of these ends. So yeah, pretty cute. I'm going to go ahead and straighten it out a bit. So yeah, I like it a lot. It's very pretty, very realistic. So now I'm going to go ahead and try on some of the headbands for you guys. First is the black. Next is this burgundy pretty fall color. I'm sure I placed it on wrong, but still cute. I'll have to play around with it a little bit. Very fall. Last but not least, this neutral colored one. So I would probably wear this one the least because it covers the black pre-made headband a little bit less, but I like the colors. And I'll give you guys a look of the back. And I'm just gonna put it in a little pony. I probably wouldn't do this because it's 14 inches, but let's just see how it looks. So that's all I have for you guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you've tried out the headband wig and what other protective styles you're using to keep your hair moisturized this winter. Thank you guys for watching.